Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you are fine. Today I am coming to you again with another new topic. Okay, let's get started. I am writing here, please allow me to, and no matter what. Please allow me to means দয়া করে আমাকে অনুমতি দিন and no matter what যাই হোক না কেন. Today we will learn how to make sentence with please allow me to and no matter what. First we will make some sentence with please allow me to. Look at this whiteboard. First one. Please allow me to learn. Please allow me to enter. Please allow me to explain. Please allow me to learn. দয়া করে আমাকে শিখতে দিন. Please allow me to enter. দয়া করে আমাকে প্রবেশ করতে দিন. And then please allow me to explain. দয়া করে আমাকে ব্যাখ্যা করতে দিন. This way we can make more sentence like that. Please allow me to ask a question. Please allow me to rest. Today our next topic was no matter what. No matter what, it means যাই হোক না কেন. It has a structure. Look. No matter what plus sentence. Let's mix sentence with no matter what. Then we can understand. Look, number one. No matter what, I need to learn. No matter what, I need to write. 3. No matter what, I need to play. Number 4. No matter what, I need to come. 5. No matter what, I need to teach. Look, number 1. No matter what, I need to learn. It means যাই হোক না কেন আমার শেখা প্রয়োজন. No matter what, I need to write. যাই হোক না কেন আমার লেখা প্রয়োজন. No matter what, I need to play. যাই হোক না কেন আমার খেলা প্রয়োজন. No matter what, I need to come. যাই হোক না কেন আমার আসা প্রয়োজন. No matter what, I need to teach. যাই হোক না কেন আমার শেখানো প্রয়োজন. This way I can make many more sentences in our everyday life by using please allow me to and no matter what. Anyway, I don't like to prolong our tutorial today. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. That's all for the moment. Thanks for watching.